Welcome back. In this lesson, we're going to learn how to fix confusing sentences. Many beginners write sentences that are too long, too heavy, or unclear. I'll show you simple ways to repair them. So, the first cause of confusion is putting too many ideas into one sentence. For example, I woke up late and I missed the bus, and then I ran to school but it started raining. I woke up late and I missed the bus, and then I ran to school but it started raining. So, as you see, this is too much for one sentence. To fix this, break the sentence into smaller parts. Now it becomes I woke up late, I missed the bus, I ran to school, but it started raining. So here we've got three smaller sentences, which is much easier to read and understand. The second cause of confusion is unnecessary words. For example, the reason for the fact that I was late was due to the situation that occurred in the morning. So this is really confusing, really difficult to process for the mind, and not easy to follow. Long, heavy, and unclear, just as we said, because it has got too many unnecessary words. To fix this, use simple, direct language. The sentence becomes, I was late because something happened in the morning. So you don't need to go on and elaborate on that something. Just saying something happened is enough for the reader to follow the sentence and understand it. So, as you see, it expresses the same meaning but much clearer. The third cause of confusion is hiding the main idea under too many details. For example, because the roads were crowded, I arrived late. Because the roads were crowded, and because I couldn't find a taxi, and since I didn't want to walk, I arrived late. So this is the main idea. I arrived late, but we have buried it under too many details. And to fix this one, we need to start with the main idea. What was the main idea? Just as you see here, I arrived late. So we bring it to the beginning. I arrived late, and then we go on and continue with the details. So it becomes, I arrived late because the roads were crowded and I couldn't find a taxi. Clear, direct, and easy to follow. So that's it for lesson 5. In the next lesson, we'll learn how to build a strong paragraph using the clear sentences you've learned to write. And by the way, do not forget to subscribe to my channel if you're enjoying the lessons.